Welcome back. Today we're going to be making banana bread. This recipe was given to me by a wonderful friend, Marie. Every time I make the recipe, I remember her. This is the recipe we made for our boys when they were growing up. So let's begin. So our first ingredient today is going to be 1/3 of a cup of margarine or 75 grams. Next we will be adding 1 cup or 200 grams of white sugar. And lift up our bowl. I'm going to let this go until it's all mixed together and we'll be back. Next we're going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. The next thing we're going to add to our bowl is going to be 3 mashed bananas. Let's turn this back on and get a mixture. Next, we are going to pause our mixer for a second, and in a separate bowl, we're going to add the following ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, or 260 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or 4 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or 4 grams, and a pinch of salt, or 2 grams. We're going to blend it together, and then we'll go to the next step. Normally, we don't add anything to our banana bread, but today I am going to add chocolate chips. 1/2 cup to 1 cup, it depends on how much you want. I'm just going to try 1/2 cup today. I don't want to overdo here. And I'm not going to use the garter to shield to add this today because I find it's reflecting on the camera and I want to make sure you guys can see that. We just want to mix to combine. We don't want to overbeat it. Just going to grab our loaf pan. Just going to get our mixture right into the pan. And we're going to bake our loaf today in a 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our loaf is cooked now. Just going to check temperature to make sure. Okay, we're at 200 degrees, so it's cooked through. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe today, that you will give it a try. Until next time.